morning. This is one particular dish called bánh cú, and I wanted to see if it was available. So we're gonna go check. Do a little check. Look at this. It's so cool. She's just rolling it. And there's a couple layers. Oh, so interesting. Good morning, this is roughly about 7 a.m. I just woke up Brittany, like as you guys saw earlier. But I've been looking for this dish called bánh cú, and it's so good. How's it, baby?
It's delicious. These are way better than the ones back home.
And then I'm gonna buy 2 more later on. But this thing is bomb. It's expensive back home. Something like this ran us like $15. It's ridiculous. I really want to learn how to make it myself, but you just basically grab the fish sauce, you pour it in, and just like smother that shit, and then you just eat it. I wish we had like chinsu, but yeah, let's try the first bite. Oh yeah. It's exactly what I expected. This part right here is made out of like rice flour, and then they make it on a crepe right there. She opens it. I would love to watch her like create it. It runs by a propane tank, and it runs into it, and it makes it so good. It's honestly one of the most underrated dishes out there. It's not like a sought after. It should be. Just Brittany and I knew about it. But yeah. With the mystery meat.
Yeah.
You know?
This one's cool though because it's got peanuts. I've never seen it served with peanuts before.
It usually is. Alright, I'm gonna hook you guys up. We are just riding around on a bike and then checking out some new houses here. It's nice. Like the cool thing about Vietnam is like they have the property as long as you're willing to build.
Only Vietnam. That is for a wedding right there.
Wild gnarly stuff. This guy's holding it up.
This guy.
Bánh bao.
Bánh bao.
Actually, that name is not too bad. Bánh mì.
Bánh mì.
Yeah, we can probably do that.
Ooh.
Bánh mì, 20,000.
Okay.
Hamburgers. Alright, this place is cute.
Okay, yeah.
We got bánh mì pate, it's good.
Oh, bánh mì pate.
Bánh mì trứng.
And bánh mì.
Tip. We got, I don't know what that is. Cold cuts.
And pate, yeah.
Yeah, and pate.
Pate,
It's
chicken.
so.
Yeah. I like it. I'm gonna try that one.
Rồi cái này của anh là bánh mì pate gà thịt nguội luôn.
Do anything?
Rồi uống thì anh lấy cà phê soda đi. Rồi what do you want?
Cà phê soda.
Cà phê soda đi. Yeah, we ordered bánh mì. So like your goal, like what I usually recommend a lot of people whenever they're traveling to Vietnam is to try all sorts of foods, right? There's always like your basics like pho, like you know, bún. Those are usually favorite. But like if you want to go advanced, like there's bánh cuốn, there's like bánh mì, the different types of bánh mì. You want to go try like hủ tiếu. You want to try like bánh canh.
Bánh
There's,
bao.
like you know, bún bò chả. You can like try all these different stuff, right? Like, it's just really important, right? There's so many depths of food here. Like the other day we took like we went to go eat breakfast. It's called bò nè, like bánh mì chảo, and it's
That
like
was
it's
really
good, right? But like the
That
thing
was
is like
really
it's a
good.
fusion between like a French like breakfast that pate in it, but on top of like a Vietnamese style at the same time, right? So it's nice to kind of immerse yourself in the culture, right? I think like you'll enjoy flavors and you'll go home and you're like, oh, I want to crave this now, and you go on around and hunt for it back home because you want to know. But it's nice because like that way like you can like converse with the people from all around the world that are Vietnamese, for example, and then you can just say, hey, like you know what, like what is your favorite types of food, and then you're pho, right? It's so easy, like pho, and stuff like that. But like when someone like Brittany will say like bánh cuốn, right, or like just like something else, like it's just like so much more advanced, right?
It surprises people.
It surprises them, and then like they'll love it, and they want to help you. They want you to go to like all these places they recommend. Like honestly, everybody was always hyped to like recommend us. It was never an issue to like not, you know, like a lot of people are usually generally approachable, right? Especially here in Vietnam, right? Oh yeah, come on, man. Got banh mi for the first time right here. So
I finally am getting my banh mi.
you can smell it's fresh.
I can feel that it's fresh.
The pate and stuff like that.
Look. Oh shit.
This is how you do it. This is how you rip the shit out of it and you eat it. Oh my god, look at it. You see that?
It's so good.
Wow. It's a chintzy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So good.
A few moments later.
There's another alleyway in here. Should I go? Dang, that's tight. That'll be the true test. I'm going this way. Going down that alley. Cool. Someone just rolled into a car. Yeah. This is the back alley here. Oh shit, tight.
So cute, but like, wow.
Buddha homestay. We're just chilling there. Actually, it's very quaint back here. Gentleman in the back here. Get out of the way from. Oh fuck, we were like fucking lost. We're in the back alleys of Cancun.
We're in the back alleys of Cancun.
So we got chickens in there, I saw.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. This is cute though.
It's super cute.
Oh my god. So just chilling there. Damn. This is cool. You got like little shops back here. You can
Yeah.
chill. You have to be literally a local to know this place.
Yes. It's like a maze back here.
I know. Lady with a dog, dude with a bike.
Oh, and we're out.
See, there's little communities in there. Or I don't know what the fuck we are. Oh shit, my bad. There's more back here.
I know. It's like never ending.
Basically. $18. Like, tell me that's not cheap.
So where in Canada you can do that?
Like, where can you get a bus fare for like 18 bucks? For two.
3.5-hour bus ride.
For two. Oh, sleeper van. Sleeper train. This is cool. Oh, look. This looks tiny. I feel like I'm super crushed. Oh, I gotta try to squeeze. Look at this. It's like you get to lay here for a couple hours, but I got 18 bucks. Can't really go wrong. This is sick. Like, babe, how do you feel?
Honestly, this is really fun. I'm really glad that we get to just sit in a sleeper. I saw it when we came out, there were regular vans, and I thought we were gonna just go into a regular van because I didn't believe that like for a 3.5-hour like trip they'd put us in a sleeper van,
But they did.
sleeper bus. But this is really fun.
I like it. And look, they have like little sections. They got curtains. This person's like closed it. It's pretty cool. Privacy. Your own. It's pretty cool. I like it. Yeah, it's pretty sick. I like it. Yeah. You can set your own like little like section here. Chill. I brought my backpack in just because like I'm gonna edit for 3.5 hours, but this is pretty gnarly. If you're like big, if you're built big, sorry you can't be in here. I would say.
No.
Like your Uncle Kevin cannot fit.
No, or if you're like taller, if you're like 6 foot, no way.
Yeah.
No way.
They have the hook, they have everything here.
I know.
This is cool. I won't lie, I kind of like it.
This is so handy.
I know, I would probably do this again next time.
Yeah.
And 18 bucks. This is cool. I like it. Yeah. 18 bucks, you can't really go wrong.